When you use the first EA1920iP5 poster LED screen as a signal source, plug the HDMI head cable into the output port. Plug the HDMI cable end into the input port of the second EA1920iP poster LED screen. Other poster screens are also plugged into the HDMI signal cable in this way. In this video we will connect 3 EA1920iP5 poster LED screen to give you an example. After connecting the HDMI cable, open the edges on both sides of the EA1920iP5 poster LED screen to facilitate the next step of splicing. There are 3 rotating quick locks on the left side to fix the adjacent LED display. After opening the edges, bring the 2 LED displays close together and align them, then use the hexagonal wrench to rotate the quick lock. Fix 2 LED displays together.